Ready? I wish to thank you for the catalog which you were good enough to post to me recently. Full stop. Several books listed on page 21 appear to be just what I am looking for. Full stop. I have marked them on the attached sheet. Full stop. Although I think that these books should be useful to me in my work. Full stop. I would like to inspect them to see if they would be satisfactory. Full stop. Can any of the books be sent back to you if comma when I have looked at them comma I decide that they would not be satisfactory for my purpose? Question mark.